It's a nice day for surprises.
Kuya?
Hi, bro. I'm back.
Hindi ko pwedeng pakasalan si Ralph.
Fixed marriage. Does it matter who?
Of course it does.
Hindi rin naman kayo magkakilala ni Russell noon, so what difference does it make? Unless matagal na kayo magkakilala. And there's something going on between the two of you.
Mapumayag akong pakasalan si Russell. Dahil alam kong posibleng ma-inlove ako sa kanya. That we could naturally fall in love. Even under artificial circumstances.
Lintik na pag-ibig yan. Panira ng plano.
Ma, hindi ako plano. Tao ako. Anak mo ko.
Hailey!